everyone. Today we will discuss about magnetism, basic formulas related to magnetism and types of magnetic material. सबसे पहले हम मैग्नेटिज्म का कारण क्या है, पदार्थों में चुंबकीय प्रवृत्ति क्यों पाई जाती है और इसका उत्पत्ति कैसे होती है, तो उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. मैटर इज मेड ऑफ एटम्स and atoms are made of nuclei and electrons. The electron in an atom move about the nucleus in close path and hence contribute or constitute electric current loops. As a current loop has a magnetic dipole moment mu is equal to Ia, each electron in an atom has a magnetic dipole moment due to its orbital motion. Beside this, each electron has a permanent angular momentum which is present even if it is at rest. This permanent angular momentum is called the spin angular momentum of the electron. Corresponding to this spin, each electron has a permanent magnetic moment mu s. Here mu is due to spin is equal to 9.285 into 10 to the power minus 24 joule per Tesla. The nucleus may also have a magnetic moment, but it is about several thousand times smaller than magnetic moment of an electron. The resultant magnetic moment is vector sum of all that. It means magnetic moment of an atom is the vector sum of magnetic moment of electron and magnetic moment of electron due to spin, due to orbital motion, and magnetic moment of nucleus also. The magnetic moment of the electrons of an atom have a tendency to cancel in pairs. So, the magnetic moment of the two electrons of a helium atom cancel each other. But in some cases, the magnetic moment of an atom is not zero. Such an atom may be represented by a magnetic dipole having a permanent magnetic moment. All the magnetic properties of matter are attributed to the rotation of electric charges. An electric current loop acts like a magnetic dipole of moment mu m is equal to Ia, where I is the current and A is the area of the loop. Since I is equal to E omega upon 2 pi, here A is equal to pi r square and L is equal to m r square omega, and omega is angular velocity. So mu m is equal to E omega upon 2 pi r square, and after solving we get minus E upon 2m L. The negative sign indicates that mu m is opposite to L. Diagram show the vector L is angular momentum of electron producing the current, and mu m is opposite direction of L. Here susceptibility X is equal to m over h. Here m is dipole moment per unit volume and h is magnetic field. The electron also rotate about its own axis, a motion referred to as spin. So there is a magnetic moment associated with the spin, and this may be related to the spin angular momentum s. So mu m is equal to minus E over m s. Now we will discuss about dynamics of a classical dipole in a magnetic field. The equation of motion for classical dipole in a magnetic field is written as dl over dt is equal to tau. Here tau is torque, and torque is equal to mu m cross B. So mu m is equal to minus E by 2m L. Using this, d by dt mu is equal to minus E upon 2m mu cross P. A diagram shows the precession of a dipole moment mu in a magnetic field B. This relation represents a precessional motion of the mu of the frequency omega L is equal to Eb upon 2m, known as Larmor frequency. The dipole simply presses around the direction of the field, maintaining the same angle. Now we will study response of substance to magnetic field. When a magnetic field can be described by either magnetic induction B or the magnetic field strength H, they are related as B is equal to mu naught H in vacuum, and here mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 is the permeability of free space. When a substance is placed in magnetic field, it gets magnetized and hence a magnetization M is produced in it. M is equal to magnetic moment per unit volume. It means M is equal to mu m upon delta V. The magnetic induction inside the substance is B is equal to mu naught H plus mu naught M equal to mu naught H plus M. This is the equation number 2. Here mu naught H is magnetic induction due to external field and mu naught M is magnetic induction due to magnetization. For an isotropic medium, M and H are parallel vectors and they are related as M is equal to chi H, and chi is susceptibility and a scalar quantity. So B is equal to mu naught H 1 plus chi, or mu H, where mu is equal to mu naught 1 plus chi. Here mu is equal to permeability of the medium and relative permeability is defined as mu R is equal to mu upon mu naught is equal to 1 plus chi. Now we will discuss classification of magnetic material. For the classification of magnetic materials can be classified according to their chi values and the way in which they vary with the magnetic field strength and temperature. They are diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. First we will study about diamagnetic. When an atom is placed in a magnetic field, the motion of orbital electron of the atom gets modified in such a way that weak magnetic moment is induced which oppose the field. इन पदार्थों में अपनी मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन B का मान निर्वात में उत्पन्न चुंबकीय क्षेत्र से कम होता है, जब अर्थात इनकी चुंबकीय पारगम्यता म्यू का मान पॉजिटिव होता है लेकिन लेस देन 1 होता है, और ससेप्टिबिलिटी जो है वो नेगेटिव होती है. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ M इज अपोजिट टू H. ए डायमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल or diamagnetic solid has a tendency to repel the magnetic lines of force due to an induced applied field. Diagram is shown for diamagnetic material. A superconductor is a perfect diamagnetic since it repels all the lines of force. Example of diamagnetic substance is gases, helium, argon, या वे परमाणु जिनके सेल्स पूरे भरे होते हैं तो स्पिन मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट 0 होता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऑर्बिटल मोशन के कारण ही चुंबकीय आघूर्ण प्रेरित होता है. इनके एग्जाम्पल है मेटल्स जैसे बिस्मथ, कॉपर, जिंक, गोल्ड, सिल्वर etc. और इसके अलावा Hg, H2O, ग्लास, मार्बल ये भी डायमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स होते हैं. इसके बाद हम डिस्कस करते हैं पैरामैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को. सम एटम्स एंड आयंस हैव परमानेंट मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट. इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एन एक्सटर्नल फील्ड दीज मोमेंट आर randomly oriented with respect to one another because of thermal fluctuation and therefore no magnetic moment of the atom. When these substances placed in a magnetic field, their magnetic moment tend to align along the field. When the atoms are acted upon individually with no mutual interaction between them, the effect is called paramagnetism. For paramagnetic material, susceptibility is greater than 0. Because of small susceptibility, they weakly attract the lines of force. As thermal energy randomize the alignment of the dipoles, the paramagnetic susceptibility decreases with temperature. Example, aluminum, platinum, manganese, rare earth metals, alkali and alkaline earth metals. वे पदार्थ जिनके परमाणु की कक्षाएं पूर्ण नहीं होती है और इलेक्ट्रॉनों की संख्या विषम होती है, ऑड नंबर में होती है, दे शो पैरामैग्नेटिज्म. नाउ नेक्स्ट type of paramagnetic material is magnetic material is ferromagnetic. They have permanent magnetic moment even in the absence of external field. Susceptibility is large and positive. They strongly attract the lines of force. Mu is positive and greater than 1. Next is ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetism exists only below a certain temperature Tc, above which the substance becomes paramagnetic. Example, Fe, Co, Ni and number of alloys. In fully magnetized state of a ferromagnet, net all the dipoles are aligned in exactly the same direction. According to domain theory, जो आंतरिक कोश का इलेक्ट्रॉन है और जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में अलाइंड होते हैं. एंड लास्ट इज एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिक. एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिक materials have dipoles of equal moments, but the alignment of dipoles point in opposite direction as shown in figure. The result is zero magnetization. And ferrimagnetic have neighboring dipoles in opposite direction but are unequal and possess not M. So according to diamagnetic moment or alignment of them, we can classify magnetic materials.